Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're talking about the benefits of sea buckthorn, and specifically we're going to refer to the oil and the wonderful benefits that it has for the skin and for internal use as well. Now let's get on to the benefits of the buckthorn, the sea buckthorn. It is rich in vitamins, minerals and beneficial compounds that is full of antioxidants and actually helps to protect the body against aging and also protects against specific illnesses as well. It's rich in vitamin A, C, K and E, and it also contains wonderful minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium, copper and zinc. Both the seeds and the leaves are rich in a plant compound which has many benefits. Among the benefits is the ability to block cholesterol from your diet, bad cholesterol from being absorbed by your body. And this has been proven also in clinical studies. I will link the clinical studies, 3 of them, in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out if you're interested. Now the oil extracted from the seeds or the berries is considered to be one of the most beneficial oils for the skin because it contains a compound called palmitoleic acid. Palmitoleic acid is found in the fat of human skin, and this oil is thought to speed wound healing and also keep your skin super healthy and glowing. Also, the oil is one of the best oils that provides all 4 omega fatty acids, and it also is beneficial for the body. It helps to regenerate the skin. It also contains healthy fats as well. In addition to the omega fats that it also contains the linoleic acid, which is an omega-6 fatty acid that is really great for human skin. So if you're looking to generate skin cells, if you're looking to fight acne, psoriasis, eczema, or also suffering from dry and scaly skin, I really recommend the sea buckthorn oil. The cold pressed extracted version of it is quite expensive here in Finland, but I'm very sure that if you purchase it, you can use a small amount of it on the skin, and it really helps to regenerate the skin that way. For anyone suffering from psoriasis symptoms, there has been studies done on the use of sea buckthorn oil on the skin, and it has brought amazing benefits. The use was from 4 to 8 weeks of using the sea buckthorn oil. There are studies that have proved major transformations of the skin, and it also helps the skin heal from wounds and burns much more quickly as well. It improves acne, eczema, psoriasis and other skin conditions as well. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like, share, subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.